And what did you make out of Lego?
Birthday.
Is that a birthday cake?
Yeah.
Ibu, can you help Gabby light the birthday candles?
Happy birthday.
Go help Gabby there.
To you. Happy birthday. Help Gabby. Happy birthday.
Go get a candle from Gabby.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Don't break it.
Is that the birthday cake for Baba? Ibu, what do you say to Baba?
Birthday to you. Happy
Gabby, can you wave to the camera, say happy birthday, Baba?
Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday to Baba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Baba. Baba here.
Yeah, are those the candles for Baba's birthday cake?
Yeah. My birthday soon.
When's your birthday, Gabby?
August 1st. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.